To create this design, you need to add a rounded cube. Then select these faces, select these faces, and then increase the selection. Then right click loop tool circle option. Then press Ctrl X to dissolve these edges, and then Ctrl B add bevel on them. Then select these faces and use the insert operation. And one more time insert operation and press Alt S to scale them along the normal. Then select these faces, then use the insert operation and then use the loop tool circle option. Then use the insert operation one more time, then use the insert operation one more time and then press Alt S to scale them along the normal and use the insert operation. Then select this face loop and select this face and then E to extrude it and move it along the Z axis. And SZ give the value 0. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Then select this edge loop, deselect this edges and then press Alt S and scale them along the normal. Select this word and move it along the Z axis. Then add one loop cut here and add one loop cut here. Then hit the Ctrl 2 and add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. Then add loop cuts like this and add one loop cut like this. Then select these words and press M merge at last and dissolve this edge. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this and then dissolve this edge. Then take the symmetry, mesh and symmetrize and then dissolve this edge loops. Then add one loop cut here and select these words and press J to connect them. You will get this kind of loop structure. You can select these words and merge at last and you can dissolve this edge. Then select these faces, increase the selection and then SZ give the value 0. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 1, add a 2 segment bevel. And yeah, definitely you are going to get a small pinching issue at there. Here you can see, but that's fine. We want the design, so we are going to avoid that pinching problem. You can select this edge loops and then Ctrl B and add bevel on them like this. Then select these faces, delete them, select this edge loop and then face and grid fill. Adjust the offset and turn on the simple blending. And then we can try to create more details out there. We can select these faces, use the insert operation and then press Alt S to scale them along the normal. You can select these faces and you can use the insert operation. Use the insert operation one more time and then press Alt S to scale them along the normal. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Then you can select these faces, Ctrl X to dissolve these edges. Use the insert operation. Select these words, merge at the center and then dissolve these edges. Use the insert operation and then move it along the Z axis. Extrude it and scale it like this. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on them. Select this face, use the insert operation, delete this face, select this edge loop and then go to the face, grid fill. Adjust the offset and you will get this kind of sci-fi looking hard surface design with a simple sphere. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.